If you or someone you know is planning to apply for U.S. citizenship, you need to stop what you are doing and look at this brand new rule. The government has officially proposed a massive change that will completely reshape the naturalization process. We are talking about an 80% price spike for citizenship applications, the complete elimination of low income reduced fees, and the absolute end of general financial hardship waivers for citizenship applications. Let's break down exactly what is happening, how much it is going to cost you, and most importantly, how much time you have left to file your paperwork under the current, cheaper rates. So, what is changing? Right now, the government is trying to recover the full cost of processing paperwork. They are shifting to a beneficiary pays principle. This means if you benefit from the service, you have to pay the entire cost of the vetting and background checks out of your own pocket. Because of new requirements for maximum screening, enhanced background checks, and voter eligibility vetting, the cost to process these applications has skyrocketed. Because of this, the prices are changing drastically. Currently, filing Form N-400 for naturalization costs $710 if you file online and $760 if you mail a paper application. Under this new proposal, the online fee is jumping to $1,280. If you file on paper, it will cost $1,330. That is nearly a doubling of the price. If your application is denied and you need to file an appeal or request a hearing, which is filed on Form N-336, the price is climbing from around $800 to over $1,400. Right now, if your household income is under 400% of the federal poverty guidelines, you qualify for a reduced fee of $380. Under the new rule, that reduced fee tier is being completely eliminated. The fee waiver form filed on I-912, which allows low-income applicants to apply for citizenship for free, will no longer be accepted for naturalization applications. The government's notice explicitly states that financial hardship waivers are being eliminated for these forms. Everyone will be required to pay the full price regardless of their income. The only major exception to this rule applies to current and former members of the U.S. Armed Forces who remain exempt from these fees by law. How much time do we have? Now, here is the most important part of this video. These prices are not active today because this is a proposed rule. The law requires the government to open a public comment window to allow everyday citizens, lawyers, and advocates to submit feedback and arguments before the changes become final. The public comment window is officially open right now and will run through August 24th. The government cannot legally raise the fees before that date. Once the comment window closes on August 24th, immigration officials have to review the submissions, draft a final rule, and publish it with a future effective date. Historically, that process takes a few months. This means we realistically won't see these heavy fee hikes go live until late 2026 or early 2027. Here's what you need to do next. You have two options right now. First, if you are currently eligible for U.S. citizenship, do not wait. Gather your documents and file your Form N-400 online as soon as possible. Filing now locks in the current $710 price and ensures you are processed under the current guidelines before these strict new limitations take effect. Second, make your voice heard. You have until August 24th to go online to the federal regulations website, look up the docket for this rule, and leave a public comment. Explain to the government how a $1,300 fee or the removal of the financial assistance will impact you, your family, and your community. Don't let these fee increases catch you by surprise. If you are eligible, file your paperwork today. Drop a comment below if you are rushing to file your application, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the update when this rule officially becomes final.